Parliament of Ghana emrahye bedwam baby a hyehyembra omo the LIB to for na wonim the contents of the LI no e pa kire say parliamentarian wakɔhwe girls na waye late no oba siren endi nanim ai akɔin na omo nya ne yie na sabi yentimi nkɔ no omo de omo nya free access so siren endi omanim ye de ye nya nipa omo no nya nipa asem we bae no Speaker of Parliament Honorable Abengbagbe ose onim hwe meanwhile the minority caucus no enso de ato ese omo no mo lay before Parliament. So who is speaking the truth? Na mama nka asem ncho ewiase won onunu na sre a onya hwe o hwe niema ekoso wo mam ohia ene kom no enye LI wani hia. Xposed GHFM Bembruce and program I say me GHANANII now so GHANANII and I say program with the fire for fire or me fire now so fire near drum. Last week in send me by Nana me bisa say hey na Ghana for yensu ya hu Parliament of Ghana emrahye bedwam baby a hyehyembra omo the LIB to for now wonim the contents of the LI no e pa kire say parliamentarian wakɔhwe girls na waye late no oba siren endi nanim ai akɔin na omo nya ne yie na sabi yentimi nkɔ no omo de omo nya free access so siren endi omanim ye de ye nya nipa omo no nya nipa asem we bae no Speaker of Parliament Honorable Abengbagbe ose onim hwe meanwhile the minority caucus no enso de ato ese omo no mo lay before Parliament. So who is speaking the truth? Na mama nka asem ncho ewiase won onunu na sre a onya hwe o hwe niema ekoso wo mam ohia ene kom no enye LI wani hia enye bill we ya be pass na mema Ghana ekomo akofam na da bia meka bibi me se uko UK a the member of Parliament no omotena train any buses move for a reason ewiase won nia omo kan say woye ne yi you also enjoy enti wote bus nim na bus ne nko no odu Parliament ba wadwen nyina ne say let's what solve the problems of the nation but members of Parliament V8 no mo de namakra niam mo nya no they are living like Arabian kings meanwhile the people are suffering obi be ye 4 years or kwa exjash de amano no obi abekira de 30 years when you say can be so what you say ewiase won me wunyi nti a ye politicians no a different class of people but who are we member of Parliament no so we feeling the pain of the people and no now timi laws are ebebo mo na yeti ha na mo pass law na law ya pass ye motor case any manim siren ni manim no e dey na mo for say you want to achieve and Dominic Ayine the minority caucus no also take full responsibility hwe de bia me ka say me chem me say both the NDC MPP e ba niam ehiyoma they are the same they are omo ye pe who say LI we enyo bi no raise yankobi akrante ankobi ante ka ba na nka pass into law na bisa ho say ade we na no person me what was their intention what were they planning to achieve it means say no onam one man na pay and your president na about member of Parliament na omo ye 275 members it is obi akwa adwuma na pay a adwuma ye be den na akoso kwa okuro yimu se waye late nti no akofa sare na pay na police force omo gina ekwanche na omo chinipa no se omo be di members of Parliament na pay na someone say hit ni buy no hit no na anodin it mahu the right way is to what stop it but only me be ya hwe yom be wura ma ya hu because already most of them are doing it already no siren they are using it amu use any emergency case obi wo baby awaye late into use meanwhile adwuma na me so me ye late and then na me so me go use siren and na me dey ye bo me different from you and your mind back on ye chichire na leaders no ye ka leader Africa ye anti leadership pass. Number one, a leader is supposed to what? Serve. It's who serve no. It means I say we are there. I'll be proud of you. But African leaders, the Lord over us. It means niyama ye no. That is what they do. omo need compassion for young citizens no enti niam omo ye no it doesn't because on him say onya all the luxuries in the world you don't feel the pain of the poor man but me ken o school fees se one na won so untimi ntua anka big country ni better anything ene £1 ye 20 cedis na $1 16 cedis because omo they don't value it na se wo to full ten ya me to bia e na wo ye niam bia anka be ye wo niam ye na the dollar will come down but because they are not really they are not even feeling it and that's the country we are in. Constitution no ama conformity from article 7(1) holders the privileges are Ghana ye who be that privileges now what article 71 mo even the US they don't have it Arab they don't even have it bisa who say why is it in Ghana as gracia the whole world Ghana penetuya now until me and you we start questioning some of the reasons any nyama bi omo ye no ye hu ni ye e good someone matwe assign momo san fa biem what you need is say na say kwa ya demo cars ni na mo fa buses mo fa trotro na mo tinam na mo hu se ne nipa abre say mo pay ni yes slash no ni ya mam normal pay so that you feel your fees na wo hu bi so that why your money ye na fees e de mam no enti mo hu for say ye bre ke minia entena ho entena mo bi na da ma catch us election year umo bi ema ko boss tro wagimi umo bi ma sika say di machi wagimi hwe wadwuma so na ye na emfi politician bia edu ho pa to aba no pa ento because me hu ifaso bi Ghana ye nya fi abatuom ye to aba e yo hia ene obre ene ohaw ena so mo de bre enya ho to bia lo mo de bre enti me dia mafa me ho adwen me dia me nka sa wo so ento aba ba ko to wi akofie because enyo bi papa nti na e baba bo wasum enkwasi asam otu aba na wakofi ebubo a you be for wafa because after all MPP bo NC bo bi ubi bi ansesa I expose you chefem bambro so subscribe no bi so nya bi mano bye bye.